Hi, today I'm going to tell you why I think foam rolling your upper back is one of the best stretches you can do for your low back if you're having problems in your low back area. My name is Roxanne Meldrum and I'm a physical therapist with PT Health Academy. Let me just please remind you to like and subscribe if you like this tip. It really does help my small business grow. Okay, so why do I think that foam rolling your upper back is a good idea to help alleviate low back symptoms? Let me show you. Lots of people have pain in their low back when they reach overhead. Now you can see that not only is my shoulder a little tight, but my upper back is a little rounded as well. So when I reach overhead, I can get a little bit more range by arching through my back. Well, if I had a back problem, that could be painful every time I reach overhead, up into the cupboards, up into the closet. So the more I do to improve my shoulder range of motion and my upper back flexibility, the more I'm going to be able to find my neutral and hold it, and then reach up overhead in a way that doesn't sacrifice my low back and cause problems there. Let's spend some time reviewing how to properly foam roll your upper back. You want to lay back on the foam roller about mid-back, clasp your hands and hold your head. Always hold your head. This is too much strain on your neck to hold the big bowling ball of weight that you have going on up here. So grab your head and hold it, lift your butt, and gently roll from the middle of your back to the bump at the base of your neck. And you're going to do that 8 to 10 times. Now, if that's too painful, you can try a little stop and tip method. Start in the middle of your back. Again, clasp your hands, hold your head, and just tip gently so that you feel a little pressure, a little stretch, just where the foam roller is hitting. And then once you spend 3 to 5 seconds in that position, you come up, roll down an inch, and do the next level. And then come up, roll down an inch, and do the next level. Again, like 3 to 5 seconds at each level. I'm going kind of quick here. And then you go all the way up to the top. Now notice at some point I have to lift my butt, otherwise I'm going to slide off the foam roller. So lift your butt to stay on, and then when you get up here, again, 3 to 5 seconds, tip back. It can also be fun and helpful to do like a pre and post test. So go ahead and reach overhead and see how that feels. Does it hurt your back? Do you feel kind of tight? And then go ahead and do the foam roller and then repeat that and see, do you feel looser? Are you able to reach overhead without hurting your low back? I hope you found this tip helpful. Thank you so much for listening.